Hello, Marathon family. Hope you guys are good. Today I have Ivan with me in the office, and he's here for his soda, as you can see. Actually, Ivan has a sister in Dubai, and she recommended a client to us for a freelance visa. And as I've been posting on my status as well, if you recommend someone to me, definitely you deserve a soda because you're supporting my business. I have to support you and thank you in some way as well. So, Ivan, this is the money that you get as a soda. Counting. Hey.
Bannange bonna Karim muleetere akolera abantu visa bya ddala recommendation yonna akuteerako ssente n'ofunako bonna abaliyo amwagala ofuna visas ogenda ebweru Karim wali obakwatirako noba visa mugende ebweru mutandika okukola naye nga buli alikomandi mutofuna visa kuliko soda okusinziira ku officers ki gyaba afunidde omuntu zange si zino zo zifuna.
Yeah, sit home and make your money. Hey, thank you so much, man. Never yourself.